Hi traders, Nathan Bray from ACY Securities. I'll be your host today for your instructional video on the ACY Donchain Channel. It's a technical indicator, which we're going to go through what the Donchain Channel is, some of the benefits for how traders might use them, and then we'll have a look at how one might look at it and use it in live market conditions, so you have a better understanding of how traders might use it. And then, of course, we'll jump in and show you how you can add that onto your MT4 platform and also set it up. So let's get started. Now, why would a trader use the Donchain channel? Well, the indicator seeks to identify bullish and bearish extremes that favor reversals as well as higher and lower breakouts, breakdowns, and emerging trends. So traders can use this indicator to identify areas of support and resistance, which could assist with entries and, of course, their exits. Now, the benefits of using the Donchain channel, firstly, it really is a visual indicator. So it allows people to visualize the highest high and lowest low of a past number of periods, which can be used to assist in identifying dynamic support and resistance levels, key to any kind of trading. So this indicator can also be used to develop trend following or counter trend strategies, providing a confluence to enter a position or not. So using it as a visual guide to alert you to potential trade setup, so you can then use it in line with other indicators that you might be using as well to use to make your decisions to enter a trade. Best thing is, of course, you can use it across all assets. So whether you're trading foreign exchange, stock market indices, commodities, or even cryptocurrency, you can use the Donchain channel across all of those different asset classes. Now, how do we use it? The first thing is we just look for the ACY Donchain channel indicator from the navigator folder, which is that yellow tab up the top of your MT4 platform. You simply open it up. You click on the indicators folder inside that navigator platform, select the ACY Donchain channel, and you can just drag it across onto your chart. This white box will pop up here, and you just press OK. It's all been set up and it's ready to go. Now, before we get in on how to install it, I think I'll just show you how it works in the live market condition. So we'll dive in and I'll bring up a chart with the Donchain channel on it. So right here, I'm looking at the US dollar against the Japanese yen, and you can see this orange line down the bottom is giving us a dynamic indication to where support might be. Okay, and of course, the blue line at the top gives us a dynamic indication as to where previous resistance may come into effect. So using it visually, I can see, looking at a daily chart on this US dollar against the Japanese yen, if I was in a sell position, you might find here using this orange level as a place where I might look for potentially taking some profit out of the trade or getting out of a trade completely. Or if I wanted to be a buyer, down around this orange line here on the daily could be a spot where we could spot a reversal type scenario occurring. So let's say I look at this daily and say, well, it is down here and it has been down here for about 3 or 4 days. I go and zoom in on the 4 hourly. So it's great because it works across multiple timeframes. And if I'm getting price come, down around this level here, and I can see here's a level where it might find some support and I spot a reversal occurring, I might be able to get into a number of buy trades down around this key level, and I'm using it in confluence or in conjunction with different timeframes to give me that confluence, or as I call it, the confidence to be able to look at my other indicators and find a potential buy spot for this particular reversal in the movement that it's been in currently, which has been quite strongly down. All right, so that's how I might use it for looking for reversal opportunities. But what if we're trading in line with the trend? So now I'm just going to show you a 4 hourly chart, say, on this New Zealand against the US dollar. It's been in quite a strong downtrend. And if it is in a downtrend, then I'll look for it to say, well, I've missed out from, say, getting in up here. So I'm looking for places to enter in line with the downtrend. So I might be looking for it to get up near this blue line and start to reverse. Okay, and then you'll see their price. It's your risk. You could use the blue line as a level of risk. So you could put your risk or your stop just above that and use that to trade in line with trend. So then it doesn't quite get up there again, but you'll see as prices moved all the way down, it gets all the way back up to that blue line, fails and reverses. You can use your other indicators to show you that. And then we've had a nice move down. So whether I'm trading long or short, in line with the trend or looking for reversal opportunities, I can use this as a visual guide to work in conjunction with the other reasons I'm looking to enter a particular trade. All right, so let's go back in now and look at how you might install it. It's very straightforward. So you just open up your MT4 platform. You just open File on the top left, click Open Data Folder, which you can see highlighted there. And then the final step is, once you're in that data folder, you just select click on MQL4 folder and then click Indicators, and you simply put the downloaded file in that indicators folder. Then you shut down your MT4 platform, open it back up again, and it will be in there ready for you to select and to use. Look, if you have any questions about installing it or how this indicator may be used or what it's about, please don't hesitate to call your dedicated account manager at ACY. They'll be more than happy to assist. If they're not available, there'll be plenty of account managers ready to assist you in this process. It's been a pleasure talking to you. I look forward to speaking to you again.